I bought this rather beautiful mini divider, but as you can see, it's a little bit broken on the back legs, but it's got such beautiful pictures on it. So these two little back legs have broken off. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take some dish soap and coat these legs with the dish soap, and then I'm going to fill them with glue so I can repair these little back legs with that little pattern. I'm just using ordinary dish soap. And then just rub it on and make sure that you cover everywhere where the glue is going to be touching. And then we wait for that to dry. The glue is all dry now, and now we can just remove them. So now I've got my little patterns in the glue, and now I'm just going to trim it to the exact same size as the other ones. And now I'm going to just paint them all black. I'm using Mars Black acrylic paint to do these. My little pieces are dry now, pretty happy the way they've turned out, and now I'm going to be able to stick them there, and my little divider will be fixed. I'm just using hot glue to stick those ones on, and for this one I'm going to be removing that piece so I can stick the other one on so they look the same. I've stuck my little pieces on. I'm extremely happy how they look. So now there's my little divider all fixed. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.